Welcome to Wheelwise Tech, your go-to destination for all things automotive innovation. Today, we're diving into a treasure trove of must-have car accessories that will elevate your driving experience to the next level. Let's dive straight into the video. Car window shades. Let's shield ourselves from the scorching sun with car window shades. These sleek and easy-to-install shades not only keep your car cooler during those blazing summer days, but also provide privacy and protection for your passengers and interior. Safeguard your baby from harmful UV rays and sun glare. Window shades for car ensure a safe and comfortable ride, with reduced sun exposure and potential skin damage. Benefit from enhanced visibility through the mesh side while ensuring secure attachment using static cling layer of baby sunshade for car window. Car floor mats. Say goodbye to dirt, mud, and grime messing up your car's interior. These heavy-duty mats offer supreme protection, keeping your floors pristine and your feet comfortable throughout your journey. You can also trim the floor mats to your vehicle's specifications. They are very easy to clean. Cleaning gel. Now, let's tackle those hard-to-reach nooks and crannies with cleaning gel. This magical goo effortlessly picks up dust, crumbs, and debris from every crevice, leaving your car looking brand new in no time. Very easy to use. Take out the cleaning slime with dry hands. Knead a few times. Press the car vent cleaner slightly on the dust surface and pull out the clean putty slowly. The dirt would be carried away. Snow brush. Snow brush is your trusty companion for battling the elements in the winter season. Equipped with durable bristles and an ice scraper, clearing off snow and ice from your windshield has never been easier. Brush off snow and scrape the ice without damaging your windshield. Break up ice with integrated knuckles and easily scrape it away. It can quickly help you brush off loose snow from car windshields, roofs, doors, hoods, and side mirrors. Trunk organizer. Is your trunk a chaotic mess? Fear not. Trunk Organizer is here to save the day. With multiple compartments and sturdy construction, it keeps your groceries, tools, and emergency gear neatly organized, no matter how bumpy the ride gets. Gone are the days of a messy car. Simply unfold and load any items you desire. It has a clip and hold subdivider, a middle subdivider, rigid base plates, and center that allows you to stay organized in your vehicle. With its well-constructed design, the organizer stays firm without any cargo in it. Portable air compressor. Flat tire? No problem. This portable air compressor is your knight in shining armor. Compact yet powerful, it swiftly inflates tires with precision, ensuring you're back on the road in no time. This car air pump provides you with rest-assured using experience based on the auto shutoff function. Preset the desired pressure level and start inflating job. The car air compressor will shut off automatically at the desired level. It is compatible with cars, motorcycles, bicycles, sport balls, and inflatable pool toys, etc. Sunglass holder. Keep your shades safe and sound with this magnetic leather sunglass holder. No more fumbling around for your sunglasses. Simply attach this stylish holder to your car's visor and your shades will always be within reach. They can hold different sizes of sunglasses, non-magnetic cards, tickets, and cash. It helps you keep the interior of the car tidy and orderly. Closed by magnetic adsorption, the strong magnetic makes it very firm and stable. You don't have to worry about the clip being unstable and eyeglasses falling off. Just clip the car sunglasses clip on the sun visor to well organize your sunglasses. You can easily pick or place your eyeglasses. Car seat gap filler organizer. Are you tired of losing small items down the dreaded seat gap? This car seat gap filler organizer puts an end to that frustration. It fills the gap between your seats, providing a convenient storage space for phones, keys, and more. This front seat gap filler will help you create a neat and clean environment. It fits the car seat gaps, thus it will not shake when you brake suddenly. It is also not too big to waste your car seat space. Elastic cargo net. Need extra storage space? Look no further than this highly elastic cargo net. Whether you're hauling groceries or sports equipment, this versatile net keeps your belongings secure and prevents them from sliding around while you drive. It is very comfortable. Embark on the journey swiftly and effortlessly. Vehicle support handle. For those who could use a helping hand getting in and out of their vehicle, this AutoCane portable vehicle support handle is a lifesaver. Its ergonomic design and sturdy construction provide stability and assistance for anyone with mobility challenges. The car door handle fits parallel to the car when inserted into the U-shaped striker or door latch, assisting people to entrance and exit from the vehicle. The car door handle is covered with a soft rubber, and many prominent dots are on the grip's bottom, which has the function of anti-slip. OBD2 scanner code reader. Keep your car running smoothly with this OBD2 scanner code reader. This handy device quickly identifies any trouble codes in your vehicle's engine, allowing you to address issues before they escalate, saving you time and money in the long run. You are able to read CODA, ERAS code, view freeze frame, vehicle information, data flow, get vehicle speed information, calculate load value, get engine speed, and so much more. You don't need any battery or charger. OBD Reader gets the power directly from your vehicle through the OBDII Data Link connector. Seat back organizers. Last but certainly not least, FOJOY Luxe seat back organizers. Say goodbye to cluttered car seats and hello to seamless organization. With multiple pockets and compartments, these organizers keep your essentials within arm's reach, making every journey a breeze. Hooks anything from clothes handbags to groceries and shopping bags. The car headrest hook is perfect to keep your car well organized for an enjoyable ride. No more leaving things on the floor or seat. No more spilling or rolling around. Simply hook around the metal headrest poles and you are good to go. There you have it, a list of car accessories that'll take your driving experience to new heights. Stay tuned to Wheelwise Tech for more innovative solutions to enhance your ride. Until next time, drive safe.